Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is the ultimate solution for effortless, delicious meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's an incredible 9-in-1 appliance, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and more, all in one sleek design. Imagine making homemade yogurt, sautéing vegetables, or even sterilizing baby bottles with a single smart kitchen gadget. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is literally a button push away. From perfect rice to tender stew, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade of 2025 that truly simplifies meal prep, this Instant Pot is absolutely worth it. And for peace of mind, it features a durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy and easy cleanup every single time. Ready to transform your cooking experience? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon using the link in the description below. Its combination of unmatched versatility and intuitive design truly sets it apart from any other appliance on the market, saving you both time and counter space. Whether you're a busy parent or a budding chef, this pressure cooker will become your go-to for quick and delicious family meals. For anyone wanting to cook smarter, not harder, I highly recommend checking out the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. It's a genuine game changer.